on. So in this video off the back of the YouTube and Vimeo tutorials, we're going to go through how you can use Cloudflare as well as a CDN to use with the themes and plugins. So what you can do is if you head over to Cloudflare, you have to connect Cloudflare first. Okay, so you want to put in your account ID. Best way to get your account ID is to go here and go to your account home, and then you'll see in the top URL you'll see your account ID, which is after the .com / and then you'll see your account ID. Okay, so as soon as you've got that, you can paste that in here. And then we just need to create a bearer token. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can go ahead, go to API tokens. Okay, so it's in my profile, API tokens, create token. Okay, we want to create a custom token. Okay, and we're just going to call this themes, and what this is going to be a count token, stream. Okay, stream, and we just want to give it read access. So all we're doing with this token is allowing read access. Okay, and we can include all accounts, continue to summary, and create token. Okay, so what we need to do is just copy our bearer URL here, or you can simply copy it up here, however you feels best, and then we paste it in here and click submit. Okay, and now we're connected to Cloudflare. So if we go over to Cloudflare and view our media, what you can see is we've got two pieces of media that we've already uploaded, and you can see we've got the URLs here. But what we can do is we can, if I just show you, so if you go back to, it's a bit of a pain to navigate around Cloudflare, but if you go to stream here, you can simply drag or drop and upload your videos in here. Okay, so just go ahead and upload a video. We've just uploaded these videos here, and then once you've done that, you can go over here and you can just click create player. Okay, so we've created a player. And now you can just copy the code. And if we go back to the theme to start off with, and then just go to add new content, we haven't got a Cloudflare demo in the theme, and we can just click type in Cloudflare. Cloudflare demo, and then you simply paste in your code here. Click submit. It will then populate the right fields for you. You can click publish. Okay, view the content. Okay, and we are playing our Cloudflare URL here. Okay, so exactly the same. You can do an AVOD model with Cloudflare. Paste in your AVOD URL here, exactly the same as Vimeo and YouTube. Go ahead and watch those tutorials. Okay, you can see we've got our pre-roll. Okay, so we're set up with Cloudflare using an AVOD model, and if you don't want to use an AVOD model, then you can click update and go over to channel. And under WooCommerce products, you can see we've got our SVOD product, our pay-per-view product. So you can simply select a pay-per-view product to put it behind a pay-per-view plugin. Okay, and so I think you need to give it a image. Okay, and you can see it's got an image, and it will just ask them to purchase. Now you can give a teaser time, say 5 seconds, so they can view 5 seconds of the video, and as soon as they get more than 5 seconds, they'll be asked to pay. So great functionality, and the same with SVOD and the same with the podcast. Now you can simply take the code, and with the plugin, what we could do is just change the code here. Okay, again, watch the YouTube and Vimeo tutorials if it doesn't make sense, and then what we can do is just run a quick refresh.
Sounds good, really good.
Okay, and now we're using Cloudflare with the plugin. So that's how to use Cloudflare as a CDN. You can use it with the themes and the plugins. And now we're going to move on to just using a direct URL.